What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a card trick that you can literally perform right now. Let's do it. Now check this out. I'll ask the spectator to cut the deck anywhere less than halfway. So let's just say the spectator cuts about here, and they could even put cards away if they want. They can add more cards if they want. So, the spectator takes a decent amount of cards, however many they want. Boom, as long as it's less than half, and they put it over to the side. Now, I do not know how many cards the spectator has cut. We're just going to leave them right here. And in fact, you know what? I'm going to take them and put them right here, right in that box. Alright, so that's there. We'll keep that right here. Now, here, I'm going to ask the spectator to deal off 26 cards. So, 1, 2, and we're done with the rest of these cards. We can put them away. So now we have 26 cards here. Now using these 26 cards, I'm going to try to predict how many cards are in the pile that were cut by the spectator. Okay, so let me take a look here. Let me weigh this real quick. Okay. I think I have a decent idea. Maybe this many can take out. Now realize I have to take into account this box also. How heavy is this box? Okay, I think we're good. I think I got it figured out. Maybe this many, put one more in here. This seems about right. So, now the cards I cut were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cards. Right, so we have 15 cards here, and now if we take a look right here, if we have the spectator or myself count these, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So breaking this trick down, it's actually quite easy to do. It does require a bit of a setup, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab 26 cards, bam. Make sure you count them correctly or the trick won't work. And then you're going to take one extra card. So I'm just grabbing the Joker here. And you're just going to slightly bend one of the corners of this card. So boom, I just bent it a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see that on camera. It has a little bit of a bend there. Now after this card has been bent, you're going to take it, put it on the bottom of this entire deck of, this packet of 26 cards. And you want to make sure that bend is facing you. You don't want to make that bend face the spectator. Right, so now once you have that, boom, you put that on top of the rest of the deck, and you're pretty much set to perform. And if you actually take a look from your angle, you'll see that the bend is clearly visible. But again, if it's something the spectator is actually looking at, they're really not going to pay much attention to it. So now that the deck is set up, you're going to tell the spectator to cut somewhere less than half the deck. So let's just say they cut this many cards right here. Let's actually count them out just so we know how many cards we should be left with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are 13 cards here. Take them, put them over on the side. Now here, you can actually hand this deck over to the spectator and have them deal out 26 cards. So you tell them to deal off 26 cards, one on top of the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. And we're pretty much done with these cards, and we don't really need them. Boom. We got the 26 cards counted out. Now here, I kind of like to do like this kind of comparison. Saying like I'm using some kind of measurement, science stuff to pretty much compare how many cards are in each pile. And again, make sure it doesn't seem in any way that you're counting how many cards are here. That's why I could also recommend putting these cards into a box and, pulling them out from there later. So, now that we got that done, we'll see that that bent card is still going to be present in this packet. So here, the only thing you really have to do is lift up at that bend. Right, so all you're going to do is just lift up where that card has been bent to. Lift this whole packet up. And this is it. This is going to be the 13 cards. So you can play it off however you want. You could be like, okay, let me get rid of a few cards. Let me get rid of one more card. Let me compare again. Whatever kind of performance you want to do. But ultimately, what matters is just grabbing all those cards right above that bend. And now once you got that, right, all the cards right above that bend there, you can count them out one at a time for the spectator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And when I'm actually counting the 13th card, realize you still have that bend there. So if they do want to examine later, I do 13, and while I'm putting this down, I kind of like snap it like this with my middle finger and thumb, just snap it down. This way the card kind of straightens itself out. So boom, 13. The spectator can now take their pile, count off, whatever, 13. We already counted that, so we don't have to count again. But bam, the piles match. So in terms of performance, you can pretty much do whatever you want with this. You can see the comparison thing like I was telling you about earlier. You can have them write down how many cards are in their pile and then try to read their mind and then count off just that many cards as well. So there's really so many things you can do with performance. And yeah, hopefully I gave you a good trick to do where you can, come up with your own performance. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go check out my Patreon page to help support my channel, because your support really means a lot to me. So I'll put the link to that in the description, and also in the description it's a link to all my social media, so you can follow me on there for my photos, videos, status updates, and all that kind of good stuff. So all that being said, I will see you in the next video. Oh wow, you guys are still here. I need to start leaving some prizes or something, because why else would you stay here this long? But in the meantime, like, share, subscribe, because if you do, you are awesome. Thanks for watching.